This video is about urdhva mukha svanasana, or upward facing dog. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we are going to cover the foundations of urdhva, because it is a posture that you will find yourself in many times during your yoga practice. So it's a good idea to become very familiar with the foundations of the pose. So we're going to start by coming onto our hands and knees. We're going to do some yoga. Fuck yeah! Hands under the shoulders. We'll cover 10 different things that we can do to make it the best that it can be. Spread the fingers out nice and wide. We want to go to a plank position. Tuck the toes under. Engage the core. Slowly point your toes back behind you. We want to push all 10 toenails into the mat. We want to push into the hands, push the toenails into the mat. Feel the quadriceps engage, lifting the kneecaps. Let the shoulders slide down the back and towards each other. Let the head fall back. Gaze up at your third eye if that is good for you, the third eye point. Let the chest come forward. Good job. Come back to center. And we can do it again just to make sure that it sticks. It's always a good idea to practice. Spread the fingers out nice and wide. You want your hands around your shoulders. Your shoulders can come a little forward. Maybe everybody's built different, but in the general vicinity, do not collapse into the wrist. Activate the hands, pushing the hands to the mat. Make sure the toes point back behind you. As you press all 10 toenails into the mat, the legs are lifted up off of the mat. The kneecaps lift, the quads engage. Let the head fall back. Chest opens. Shoulder blades slide together and down the back. Activating by pushing into the hands. Head falls back if that feels okay. Good job. And that is urdhva mukha svanasana. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, click the little bell to be notified of future videos. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.